In 2026, the best tool is the one you actually have on you. Neck knives have become the ultimate solution for discreet, ultra-accessible carry, offering a fixed blade's reliability in a footprint that disappears under a t-shirt. Today, we're counting down the top 10 neck knives that define the category this year. Whether you need a featherweight backup for self-defense or a precision tool for daily tasks, these compact powerhouses prove that big utility comes in very small packages. The Omesio Compact Neck Knife is a masterclass in discreet, rapid access utility for 2026, designed for those who prioritize a lightweight footprint without compromising on structural integrity. This small fixed blade is the ultimate urban backup or outdoor companion. Its streamlined profile allows it to disappear under a t-shirt, yet it remains ready to deploy at a moment's notice for self-defense or daily cutting tasks. It features a razor-sharp to .99 9-inch drop-point blade crafted from high-performance D2 steel, providing elite edge retention and toughness. The overall length is a compact 5.77-inch, making it incredibly maneuverable in tight spaces. Despite its full tang strength and durable G10 handle scales, it is remarkably light, weighing in at just 3.3 ounces. Complete with a secure kydex sheath and necklace, the Omesio is a reliable, low-profile essential. The MTech USA MT-588 is an aggressive and affordable tactical neck knife designed for rapid deployment and ease of carry. This claw-style fixed blade is a favorite for those who need a reliable backup tool that offers a secure, specialized grip. It features a 2.0 to 5-inch hawkbill blade, crafted from 3CR13 stainless steel, providing great corrosion resistance and a sharp piercing point. The overall length is 4.0 to 5-inch, allowing it to remain completely discreet under a shirt. Despite its full tang construction and durable textured handle, it is ultralight, weighing in at just 2.5 ounces. Complete with a hard-locking secure sheath and ball chain, the MT-588 is a high-speed tactical essential. The SPITZKANTE 3.07-inch neck knife is a precision-engineered tool that brings sleek German-inspired design to the forefront of the 2026 EDC scene. Built for those who demand a surgical edge in a discreet package, this minimalist fixed blade is optimized for high-performance slicing and intricate detail work. Its slim, low-profile silhouette ensures that it carries comfortably around the neck or tucked inside a waistband without drawing any unwanted attention. It features a razor-sharp to .48-inch drop-point blade, crafted from 5CR14 steel, providing elite edge retention and wear resistance. The overall length of the tool is 5.63-inch, making it incredibly agile in the hand. Despite its robust full tang strength and high-traction ABS handle scales, it is feather-light, weighing in at just 2.57 ounces. Complete with a multi-position kydex sheath, the SPITZKANTE is a sophisticated, high-utility masterpiece. The ODENWOLF W Mini is a German-engineered marvel that proves you don't need a massive blade to dominate the outdoors. For 2026, it has become a top-tier choice for hikers and survivalists who value a barely-there carry with full tang reliability. Its unique ergonomic shape and high-traction grip make it a surprisingly capable tool for lighter camp chores, food prep, or as a dedicated emergency backup that hangs comfortably around your neck. It features a razor-sharp 2-inch drop-point blade, crafted from premium D2 steel, hardened to a solid 60 HRC. The overall length is a compact 5.4-inch, with a thin but sturdy blade thickness of 0.086-inch. Despite its overbuilt feel and textured TPE handle, it is incredibly light at just 73 grams. Complete with a polypropylene sheath and an integrated fire starter necklace, the W Mini is a comprehensive survival system in a tiny package. The NedFoss Squirrel is a compact, high-performance neck knife that brings the devastating geometry of a kukri to a microscale. For 2026, it has emerged as a top-tier choice for hikers and survivalists who need a small, full-tang blade capable of surprisingly deep cuts. Its unique curved blade design provides a weight-forward balance that excels at slicing through rope, carving wood, or handling emergency utility tasks where a standard straight blade might struggle. It features a razor-sharp to point, 9.7-inch mini cookery blade crafted from 9cr1 MOV razor edge with black titanium finish. The overall length is 6.3 inch with a substantial blade thickness of 0.11 inch. Despite its robust feel and ergonomic G10 handle with deep finger grooves, it remains ultralight, weighing in at just 2.46 ounce. Complete with a secure kydex sheath and adjustable belt clip, the Squirrel is a versatile, rapid-access powerhouse. The Rising Crafts Damascus neck knife is a stunning blend of ancient artistry and modern EDC functionality. For 2026, it remains a favorite for those who want a functional tool that doubles as a piece of handcrafted art. Hand-forged by skilled artisans, the blade features the signature swirling patterns of genuine Damascus steel, making every single knife a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. This is a tool designed for those who appreciate traditional aesthetics in their survival kit. It features a razor-sharp to point 5-inch drop-point blade, crafted from high-performance Damascus steel, offering exceptional edge retention. The overall length of the tool is a discreet 4.75 inch, providing a surprisingly capable grip for its size. Despite its full tang construction and ergonomic rosewood handle, it weighs just 3.84 ounce. Complete with a handcrafted leather necklace sheath, this knife is a stylish and reliable everyday essential. The Cold Steel Mini Tanto is a compact yet powerful neck knife designed for self-defense and everyday utility. Featuring a 3.75-inch Tanto blade made from 8cr13 MOV stainless steel, it offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance while maintaining a razor-sharp cutting edge. The full flat grind and reinforced tip make it highly effective for piercing and slashing tasks. Its lightweight Griv-X handle is textured for a secure grip, ensuring superior control even in wet conditions. Weighing just 2.7 ounces, this knife is incredibly easy to carry, and the secure X sheath allows for quick deployment. Whether you need a reliable self-defense tool or a compact EDC knife for cutting tasks, the Mini Tanto delivers outstanding performance in a small, easy-to-conceal package. It's built for toughness, precision, and quick access, perfect for those who value both functionality and portability in a neck knife. The Spyderco Ark H1 is a purpose-built neck knife designed for extreme conditions and self-defense. Its 2.56-inch blade, made from H1 steel, is completely rust-proof, making it an ideal choice for humid environments, maritime use, or everyday carry. The blade's curved drop-point design enhances slicing efficiency, while the full flat grind ensures razor-sharp performance. The ergonomic fiberglass reinforced nylon handle offers a secure grip, even in wet conditions. Weighing just 2 ounces, the Ark H1 is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry around your neck with the included molded polymer sheath and ball chain. If you want a dependable neck knife that thrives in any environment, the Spyderco Ark H1 is a top-tier choice. The Böker Plus Mega Mini is proof that big performance can come in a small package. This compact neck knife features a 2.2-inch D-to-tool steel blade, offering excellent edge retention and durability. The Wharncliffe-style blade provides precise cutting control, making it a great choice for EDC tasks, self-defense, and outdoor use. The Böker Plus Mega Mini features a skeletonized handle crafted from stainless steel, ensure a firm grip, even in challenging conditions. Its full tang construction adds extra strength, making it a tough little blade that can handle more than its size suggests. The lightweight and slim profile make it easy to carry around your neck using the included kydex sheath with a ball chain. Whether you're looking for a discreet self-defense tool or a practical utility knife, the Böker Plus Mega Mini delivers a perfect balance of size, strength, and cutting efficiency in a highly portable design. The Tops Knives Mini Scandi Neck Knife is a compact powerhouse designed for precision cutting and everyday carry. With a 3-inch 1095 high carbon steel blade, it offers excellent sharpness and edge retention, making it ideal for bushcraft, utility tasks, and self-defense. The Scandi grind enhances its cutting efficiency, making it perfect for carving, slicing, and fine detail work. This full tang knife ensures durability and reliability, while the Tan Micarta handle scales provide a secure grip, even in wet conditions. Despite its small size, the ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use. For effortless carry, the mini Scandi neck knife comes with a Kydex sheath and a breakaway chain, allowing for discreet neck carry or belt attachment. Whether you're in the wilderness or an urban setting, this lightweight yet tough knife is an excellent addition to any EDC or survival kit.